Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burrito meal prep. This simple strategy helps you prepare delicious, wholesome meals in advance, saving valuable time during busy weekdays. By dedicating a short period to cooking and assembling, you ensure nutritious options are always on hand. This approach makes healthy eating effortless and convenient, providing a satisfying solution for your weekly meals. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need about 1.5 cups of cooked rice, either brown or white, as your foundation. Incorporate 2 cans of rinsed black or pinto beans for essential fiber. Add 1 pound of your preferred cooked protein, such as seasoned chicken or plant-based crumbles. Finally, include 1 cup of shredded cheese and 1/2 cup of your favorite salsa for a burst of flavor. Now let's assemble these delicious burritos. Lay out large tortillas, approximately 10 to 12 inches in diameter, on a clean workspace. Evenly distribute your cooked rice, beans, and protein down the center of each. Add a generous sprinkle of cheese and a dollop of salsa, ensuring you leave ample space around the edges. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly from the bottom up to create a perfectly secure burrito. Proper storage is key to enjoying your meal prep throughout the week. Individually wrap each finished burrito tightly in foil or parchment paper to maintain freshness. Place these wrapped burritos into an airtight container and store them in the freezer for up to 3 months. When ready to eat, simply microwave a frozen burrito for 2 to 3 minutes, flipping halfway, or bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.